Introducing a special collaboration between Converse and Netflix, the world's leading streaming platform. This pair is built on the All-Star Aged, a modern take on the iconic Converse silhouette, and it delivers a bold yet refined visual experience. The design centers on a deep black base highlighted by striking red accents, creating a dramatic contrast that instantly stands out. The upper combines black suede, smooth leather, and textured canvas, all in the same tone, to create depth through subtle changes in texture and finish. This layered construction reflects Netflix's diverse storytelling universe. The Netflix logo is finely embroidered on the outer side, while a hidden smiley face label on the tongue adds a playful detail fans will appreciate. A polished tape midsole and glossy eyelets add a vintage touch, while the low-profile shape keeps the look clean and grounded. Comfort is handled by a cushioned insole designed for everyday wear. Finished with interchangeable black and red laces and special packaging, this release blends classic heritage with modern culture in a meaningful way.